Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is going to be a clean and decorate with me video, and I'm going to tackle my living room and my dining area. So let's quickly get started. So when I pack up my seasonal decor, I like to do all my rooms in the house at the same time, just because I like to store everything by type in one bin. So if I just do one room at a time, I would have to keep all the bins until I'm done. So here you're gonna see me starting on packing up all the Christmas decor in my living room and a little bit in my dining area. I didn't go ahead and do the rest of the house for you because it was just a little too much. So I just share with you a little bit of how I'm packing up my Christmas decor. I like to store my decor by color and by type, so I like to have all my red ornaments together, all my white ornaments are separate, and my Christmas trees, and so on and so forth. So I have tons of bins full of seasonal decor, mostly Christmas decor. And if you've been following me, you know I started my decluttering journey last summer. I started with the inside of my home, going through all my regular decor. I have several videos on that. In case you've missed it, I will be linking them in the description box below. But for this year, my goal is to tackle my storage space and go through all my seasonal decor to see what I have and see what I want to keep and what I want to donate, because I think it is just too much having so much stuff. It just makes my life so much heavier. I want it to be very light and simple, but I still want to keep all the pretty decor that I have. So that is one of the goals for me for 2021. Every time I transit from one season to another, I like to pack up all my decor and put it away and start off with a clean and fresh slate. That way I have a blank canvas to work with that really gives me the room to think about what kind of decor I want to be using for that season. So now that all my Christmas stuff is put away, I can go ahead and clean up the space. I did put back the two lamps that I hide behind my Christmas tree because I didn't have any storage space for them. And this chair that you see here is one of my latest addition. I will tell you about that a little bit further along in this video. I used to start my cleaning routine by vacuuming first, but I found out the hard way that that wasn't the way to go for me, because after I dusted and wiped my surfaces down, I found bits of dust and little bits of dirt on the floor, so I had to go in with the vacuum again. So now I start with tidying off first, then dusting off the surfaces and wiping them down, and then finally ending up vacuuming, and that is so much easier and quicker for me. I am still so happy with these new dining chairs that I got last fall. I think they are so classy and elegant looking. Now I'm still on the hunt for a new dining table, but I haven't come across anything that I really like or that fit my space so far. As I mentioned in previous videos, I will be replacing this ottoman with two smaller ones. They are a DIY in progress as we speak, but because of the lockdown, I couldn't go out and get the supplies I needed to finish them. So hopefully I will be able to share that with you during the spring or the summer season. And as I mentioned as well, this sectional, I absolutely love this, but I'm looking to replace it as well. But since we are in lockdown, the stores are closed, and I really need to feel and sit and lie on a new sofa before I purchase it. So I will have to wait until we can go out to the stores again. Now, when I think of winter, I think of snow and cold weather. And since we don't get either of those here in the Netherlands where I live, I try to bring in those elements into my winter decor. So what you're gonna see is I'm gonna be using lots of whites, some woodsy and natural elements, and a lot of cozy texture to bring in that really wintry vibe. Gonna go with a very neutral and a natural look this winter, and I'm gonna be using the DIYs that I made in my previous videos. I will link those videos in the description box below in case you've missed them, like these super cute pine cone topiaries that I made and this candle holder. And for my console table, I'm gonna go with this beautiful wreath that I DIY'd. I think it turned out so pretty and has all the elements that I'm going for this winter season. And because I am a glam girl at heart, of course I have to add a little bit of glam using these beautiful mercury glass candle holders. Hi there! If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome to my happy home. I am your host Arelis. Thank you so much for watching. Here on this channel, I love doing everything home decor related. I love going out thrifting. Of course, when there is no lockdown. I like doing clean and decorate with me videos and DIYs videos. So if you like that type of content, I would totally love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. I love to be of some motivation and inspiration how you can create a happy home on a thrift budget. Now you can also find me on Instagram and on Pinterest. I will leave those links in the description box below as well. And with that being said, let's get back to decorating. Now, when I want to create that warm and cozy vibe for my winter decor, I love using throw blankets and throw pillows. Now, don't be afraid to mix and match your different colors, your different fabric patterns and structures, because that really helps bringing in that cozy vibe. So I am using a lot of furry, fluffy and soft materials. And moving on to this chair, as I mentioned earlier, my latest addition. I purchased this chair, or actually I thrifted this chair a couple weeks before the lockdown. And I was so amazed at the state it was in and the price they were asking. You might recognize this chair. It is the IKEA Tolster chair, and it comes originally with a cover, and they didn't sell it with the cover, but I really didn't mind. I actually love it without the cover, but I still am going to look for a cover for it or have one custom made, because I want to keep this chair clean, and with a cover I can easily take it off and throw it in a washer when it gets dirty. But anyway, I was really excited when I saw it, because it was completely clean. It had no stains whatsoever, as you can see, and they were only asking $7.50 for it. So when I saw it, I had to grab it immediately. I am really happy with this chair, and it fits my decor perfect. And for my coffee table, I'm using this tiered stand I had for a while. I love the rustic vibe that it has. And I'm gonna add a few pine cones and some birchwood candle holder and a simple letterboard sign. After Christmas, I love my home decor to be very simple and calm. So for my TV console, I'm only adding these two hurricanes and these DIY candle holders that I made, and bringing this video also to a conclusion. I really hope that you could have gotten some inspiration to decorate your home for the winter season. I will be doing a full winter home tour later on, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you have the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. So I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next one really soon. Until then, always remember to live, laugh, and love. Stay safe. Bye.